This just in, Uganda Law Society has just filed a petition in the High Court to have Eron Kizza released. Who is Eron Kizza? He is the lawyer for Kizza Besigyes, who was found in contempt of court in the court martial. Well, in this edition of Legal News Daily, I'm going to discuss everything concerning why Eron Kizza was taken to court, what is contempt of court, and most importantly, what is a writ of Harbeous corpus, and also what is a petition. So, welcome to Legal News Daily, and let's discuss all of this moving forward. Hello everyone, welcome to Legal News Daily. I'm your host Terry Kahuma on Simply Legal, and in this edition we're discussing what Eron Kizza is going to do moving forward. We all know that the Kizza Besigyes trial has been going on and has been the most controversial case, me calling it the case of the century. So we all know that last Friday we had the Supreme Court giving a thunderous decision where they say that civilians should not be tried in the court martial, and indeed it is actually illegal. Well, Eron Kizza was on the team of Dr. Kizza Besigyes, and Eron Kizza was found in contempt of court. Why? Because Eron Kizza was protesting against the judge advocate and all of the other advocates in the court martial. He was then telling the judges of the court martial that, you know what, it is illegal for you to try Kizza Besigyes because he's a retired colonel of UPDF, which is the Uganda People's Defense Forces. Well, Eron Kizza was in huge protest and did not know how to handle his anger. He went ahead and then challenged the judge advocate and also the chairman of the court martial. Then they found him in contempt of court and then sentenced him to 9 months. I think you can see that all of this was illegal to begin with. First of all, you cannot try someone in a space of 5 minutes. If they're being found in contempt of court, there should be a form of mentions, hearings, and a full trial that should be done for the person to be found in contempt of court. Now, Eron Kizza was then sentenced to 9 months for contempt of court. Now, we find that all of this was illegal. And now with the recent decision of Attorney General versus Kawaziguruka, where he won in the Supreme Court, it was then found that, you know what, all civilians should be removed from the court martial. All civilian cases that are being tried in the court martial should be removed. Now, Eron Kizza, of course, is a lawyer, he's counsel, and he should not be tried in the court martial. So that means that the ruling or the judgment and or the sentence that was given concerning Eron Kizza in the court martial recently is now found null and void. So therefore, they're now petitioning to the High Court. What are these are petitioning the High Court? We have Martha Karua, we have Elias Lukwago. The petition to the High Court saying that, you know what, please transfer Eron Kizza from the court martial to the High Court where he will be tried properly. And in actual sense, when you look at the UPDF Act in relation to Section 214, Section 171, subsection 1 and subsection 2 basically says that if at all an advocate or a lawyer is found in contempt of court in the court martial, they'll only serve a 30-day sentence. So that means that the sentence that they gave Eron Kizza of 9 months was found to be illegal. Finally, what is a writ habeas corpus? Writ habeas corpus is a situation where they are asking the prosecution or the government of Uganda to bring the body. Habeas corpus means to bring or drag the body to court. This means that bring them so that we can be able to see whether the person is in good condition, are they alive, are they in good human condition. So in their application